New Year's. Just working on this unit. Had a bad sequencer. So I got the Trade Fox. You can see it's at 95. Just got it dangling right there. Yeah, pretty cool. Going up. So just let it run for a little bit and have at it. So there it goes. So I'm gonna turn it on back one more time. And you can see the temperature is gonna probably start dropping. Yeah, I love this thermometer. I don't have to get a ladder or nothing. Just extend it out. So filter is clean. Yeah, starting to drop slowly but surely. Yeah. Alright, so that's already on heat. Auto. So then I'm gonna turn the temperature up. Wait for the fan to kick on, and then wait for the sequencer. Wait for the sequencer to switch over, and then get my heat elements running. There it goes, switched over. So that's the top one. Let's check the bottom. Start going up right there, see? Alright, so I'm gonna call this one good. So, peace out, y'all.